Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I want to share with you a little haul from the Dollar Tree. What? Come here, Apollo. I'm okay. Mommy's feeling okay. He's just so concerned. He's okay. There's nothing here for you except poopy bags. Yeah, guys. So I went to Dollar Tree today. My husband took me to Dollar Tree. And I don't know, you guys saw the video from Anna, the Grace Life DIY home decor, and she shared that she found some this at the Dollar Tree. I got two of these. Anna, I couldn't find the candy shape, and I gotta tell you, the lady told me they have to out so many things for Valentine's already, and everything sold out. I was planning to go on Thursday, but if I would have gone Thursday, I would have probably not found this one because they only have 4 of these. So I grabbed 2 of these. Guys, you guys see my Christmas tree? My Christmas tree, I'm going to be moving it here by the corner of the table. And of course the sofa goes a little that way. I'm going to be decorating my tree for Valentine's for February. So I still have my Christmas tree up because, as a lot of you guys know, the 12 days of Christmas start right at Christmas. So I usually keep my Christmas tree into 3 Kings Day, and then after that I will take out everything there is Christmassy except the red bulbs. I'm going to be leaving the red bulbs. I'm going to be taking out every other color, and then I will be decorating it for Valentine's, which is going to consist of course, hearts. I'm going to put flowers in it, and I'm going to be, yeah, guys, hopefully I could find some pink light bulbs because my Christmas tree is already lit with white little bulbs, but I want to find some pink ones. All right, guys. So I find those 2, and then I found these flowers. You guys see this one is a mixed variety of light pink and I don't know with the other pink. So I got this one. So these ones are called ranunculus. I don't know. Here is the name of them. So yeah, guys, I found that one, and then I found one with yellow in it, as you guys can see. But this one, that one is different color, and of course I got 2 of this. Okay, and then of course I found my picks for the tree because I'm going to be adding some picks to the tree, and I got them in pink. Also I got this little bag of heart ornaments. This was the only bag that I found that they had, so I grabbed it. I got that. And of course, guys, you know we cannot forget the candles. I got this one, and I got the pale color. So that's for my tablescapes. And of course, we cannot forget poopy bags for my babies. And I got this one water, I don't know, it's like, you know, I got this lavender. It looks purple in the camera, but it's actually lavender. So it doesn't say that it says medium acrylic paint. Yeah, see right there, lavender. It says it right there, lavender. I got that. And also I got this heart thing, 3 of these. But this, I'm not going to be using it like this. I'm going to be taking out this ring, and when I place my candle on the table, I'm going to be placing all this over it, so the candle the candle be like I got here. I have this here. So for an example, I will be using it like this, and it will sit on the table. Yeah, guys, so I got that. And I only found one of these one, guys. I only found one of these. So hopefully if you are in Dollar Tree can find them. And yeah, guys, I found one of these. But I got it because the other ones, they already have and that's my haul, y'all. But they already have the stuff for St. Patrick's Day. They have plenty of that. They have plenty of St. Patrick's Day items out. But for Valentine's, my Dollar Tree was wiped out. So hopefully Thursday, my husband take me to a different town, to another Dollar Tree, so I can find the candy shape like this. And I also want to get the little bear jars for my counter. If I don't find the bear jars, I'm gonna see if I find the jars that they have the ceramic top with the little heart shape on top, so I could do my Valentine's cocoa bar. Well, guys, I hope you guys are doing good. So let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Yes, guys, I cut my hair. It was longer. I cut it. I cut about 1.5 inches. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.